Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we are taking trigonometric functions of multiple angles. Yesterday in the previous video, we did sine 2a, cos 2a, relating different formulas. We are just revising that trigonometric functions of multiple angles. Trigonometric functions for functions of multiple angles. Multiple angles. In the previous video, we did sine 2a is equal to 2 cos a sine a. Then sine 2a is equal to 2 tan a over 1 plus tan square a. If a is not equal to n pi plus pi by 2 for all integers n. Third, cos 2a is cos square a minus sine square a. Fourth, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. Fifth, cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. Then sixth, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a over 1 plus tan square a. If a is not equal to n pi plus pi by 2 for all integers n. The next we take tan 2a. 7 tan 2a. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a. If 2a is not equal to n pi plus pi by 2 for all integers n. Now proof: left hand side tan 2a is equal to 2 sine 2a cos 2a. Sine 2a is 2 tan a over 1 plus tan square a over cos 2a is 1 minus tan square a over 1 plus tan square a. This will be cancelled, so we get 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a, which is right hand side. Then next we take 3a, that is, first of all we take sine 3a. Sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Proof: left hand side sine 3a, we can write it as sine 2a plus a, which is sine 2a cos a plus cos 2a sine a. Sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a into cos a plus we put 1 cos 2a in terms of sine. 1 minus 2 sine square a into sine a. Then we simplify this. We get left hand side is equal to 10 2a, sorry, sine 3a is equal to 2 sine a cos square a plus, we open bracket, sine a minus 2 sine cube a is equal to 2 sine a. We put cos square a in terms of sine, 1 minus sine square a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a, which is 2 sine a minus 2 sine square a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a. This will give you 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. This is cube, which is right hand side. Then next we take it, we take cos 3a. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Proof, left hand side we can do it in the same way. Cos 3a is equal to cos 2a plus a. We know that cos a plus b is cos a minus sin a sin b. So this is cos 2a cos a minus sin 2a sin a is equal to cos 2a, we shall write it as 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a minus 2 sin a cos a into sin a. This is 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus, we put value of the sin square a. It is 2 cos a into 1 minus cos square a. So this will give you 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a plus 2 cos cube a. This is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This is right hand side. Next, we take tan 3a. Tan 3a. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a over 1 minus 3 tan square a. If 3a is not equal to n pi plus pi by 2 for all n integer, proof, left hand side tan 3a is equal to tan 2a plus a. This is equal to tan 2a plus tan a over 1 minus tan 2a tan a. Then we put value of tan 2a, which is 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a plus tan a over 1 minus bracket 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a into tan a. We take LCM 1 minus tan square a and then cancel this. So we are left with 2 tan A plus tan A minus tan cube A over 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A. This is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A over 1 minus 3 tan square A. This is right hand side. So this is what we have taken: sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A, then tan 3A, sin 3A, cos 3A. We shall also rewrite the formulas that we have already done. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B if none of A, B and A plus B is an odd multiple of pi by 2. Similarly, next we write tan A minus B. We have already proved this, but this is the condition that we will have to mention here. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A tan B if none of A, B and A minus B is an odd multiple of pi by 2. Next is cot A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 over cot B plus cot A. If none of A, B and A plus B are is a multiple of pi. Similarly, we can write last one, 13. We have already proved this. 13 cot A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 over cot B minus cot A. If none of A, B and A minus B is a multiple of pi, is a multiple of pi. So that's all. We have already proved this. Tan A plus B, tan A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. That's all. In the next video, we shall take the questions relating to all these formulas. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.